I'm just going to show you the Sekonic 308B light meter that I use. It is 20 years old, so I'll put some links to the new version. Looks pretty much the same to me. It's a nice simple light meter. You can do ambient light, so if you've got some LED lights or just general ambient light outside, you can use this as a light meter. You've got a dome, which you can use reflected, which means you can measure off the subject, so we'll measure down there. Or you can use this dome and you can measure incident light meter readings. That's better. So I know that's more accurate. So a 60th, f4, 500, I know that's right because that's what I've got on my screen in front of me on this camera. So it's well worth getting into using instant light meters because you can measure accurately light and you'll learn a lot about exposure using this system. So we've got flash, which I use a lot. I'll just show you that. So you can put it in the flash mode and then you can click it on. It will start flashing the symbol. What this is going to do, this is waiting to accept flash now. So you can put that by your subject. So say we're just going to take a picture of that. And then I've got the 560 here, so we'll just use this flash gun. There we go. And we've got it at half power really. So not half power, sorry. Full power, half power, quarter, eighth. So we're in the middle of the range of the flash, eighth power. So I'll do a flash into the umbrella that's to my right, and then the Sekonic will pick it up. There you go. So there you go. That's why we use flash meters, is because we can measure flash. So I've set this up at 5.6. So as you can see, you know, with the newer flash, you can get 5.6 at about 1 meter away. That's why I use this, because I can measure the distance from the light source. Sorry, this will be the umbrella distance. Let me just get it right. So let's have a look. Yeah, 1.1. So around about 1 meter away is the umbrella that I'm reflecting this light source into. So as you can see, it's very useful to be able to use a flash gun. Flash gun? Not a flash gun. Useful to be able to use a flash gun, obviously. But also to use a FLASHMATE meter. So 500, 5.6, 60th with flash. Perfect. And then you can go across to ambient, and this light is giving us f4, so we're at 500 ISO, 60th is the shutter speed, and f4 is what this light kit is giving us at 1 meter. So very useful. This is perfect for when you want to mix flash with ambient as well. You can take your meter readings, and you know, it's lasted well. I've used this a lot. Not so much at weddings, sometimes at weddings, but you know, perfect for your small portrait studio if you're planning to do a lot of portraits, and just saves you thinking. I've done another video about these three, so we'll link across to that. I'll put some links in the description so that you can get yourself a Sekonic. There might be some eBay links in there or Amazon. I'll see what I can do, but yeah, the links are in the description below. There's lots more videos on this subject, because what I'm trying to do at the moment is show you how you can set up a portrait studio very cheaply with a £100 lighting kit, you know, a few other things. I appreciate meters cost a lot of money, these devices do, but the reason I've got them is because they save me so much time. If I've got a client, I can just do a white balance quick, shoot him raw anyway, and then I can use the meter to get a quick reading, take the first shot and be there very quickly without fumbling around the client and sort of trying to make it happen. So if things make your life easier, I don't mind spending some money on them. And as I say, that's 20 years old. It's lasted me, you know, the whole of my career so far. So I hope that helps. If you need any more information, please comment below. If I don't comment back to you, which I try to, there's thousands of comments now on all these different videos, so I try to get through them. But somebody else might answer your question, so it's really worth commenting below. and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.